For over 20 years, I've kept astral projection a full secret. The afterlife, loved ones, all of it.
After 20 years, it's time the whole truth came out. These are my stories.
You have one shot on stage, what you got to play? Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Comes on, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out. And my high progress.
Welcome to the Ethereal Dojo. Get your ass in here and I'll teach you some shit. Welcome to the Ethereal Dojo, guys. I'm Derek. Audio issues are fixed, thank God. Sorry guys, it was a bad mic. I also have a story I need to get into regarding that. That's kind of not the point of this video, but we'll call it the lesson of this video. Officially, unofficially, but officially, Gramerica podcast is the one I'm going to be on. August 25th, tentatively. It was actually supposed to be today, but they had to reschedule, which I've rescheduled 10 times for them. It doesn't matter. It's my favorite podcast in the whole world. It's an honor to be on that thing. They're right up there with Coast to Coast. Coast to Coast. And when Art Bell had, at least. Nothing will ever top that. But I digress. So I'm looking at doing an app called Houseparty. Having people on, you can have 8 people in at once. It's video chatting and it's all at once. I think it's a cool system. Your faces, you could see everybody on screen all at once. Apparently Discord has something similar to this, but I think Discord's is just audio. I actually was just talking to somebody on Discord about that. So, but if you know how to do it on Discord with videos also, please, by all means, message me, let me know. But the Houseparty app, getting on there, having other people, like 2 or 3 other people that can actually project on there with you, talking, sharing stories, getting input. I love that, okay? These just me making ABC videos, it gets lonely just sitting there waiting for people to watch and ask me questions. I want to get out there. I want to get people's opinions, what they've seen, what they've done, things like that. It's just really, really hard to find people that actually project consistently, you know, time after time. We're not a dime a dozen people. It's very difficult to find people in your life that can successfully astral project consistently. One of the things I want to get into, though, as I'm sending messages out to certain podcasts and channels saying, you know, hey, if you want to talk, feel free, email me, message me. I'm not going to name who it is, the guy or the channel, but his happened to be one of them that I sent. And I actually liked his channel. I still like it, and I really respected the guy. I sent him a long message saying, you know, hey, I'm Derek, the whole thing. I listened to your YouTube channel, and it looks like our views and on pretty much everything, religion, everything, pretty much align consistently. If you want, feel free. We could talk on or off video, just share stories, whatever. And the message he sent me back, it was rather shocking, honestly. He said that he would consider it. What I asked, talking, consider it, and then went on for 2-3 paragraphs talking about my audio. The audio that I clearly just fixed. So, the reason why that's shocking, that'd be like me asking somebody to go out to dinner and them saying they'd consider it and then critiquing my car or the choice of where I wanted to go to eat. It's just a faux pas. I have 20 years experience in astral projection. 20 years. He could have asked me about afterlife, what I've seen, people I've met, things I've done. Instead, he chooses to spend that email telling me I should up my audio. to get a better audience, because I have good things to say, and why not up my audience? Yeah. Those are the people you need to avoid. All they want is an audience. That's bad. Okay? Shouldn't be like that. If people want to hear you, those are the type of people that make things up or exaggerate. It's clickbait. Okay? That's all it is. That's not the reason why I do this. Okay? The reason I really do this is because I'd be answering people's questions online and I got sick of typing, so I'd make videos about commonly asked questions, and then if somebody asked a question, I would just link the video that I already made. Easy peasy. So I'm not in this for the views, okay? I care about my audience, but I'm not in this for the views. That's not why I do this. And that's not why he should do this either. His heart's in the wrong place. He really doesn't get as many views as you would think, considering how he's acting anyway. It's only a couple thousand a video, but still. I thought it was a little bit brutish, honestly. I was pretty appalled. Watch for the fakes. People like that. That's a fake person, okay? That's somebody that just wants your view, and that's wrong. I don't want your view. I mean, I do, but that's not the reason why I do this. I just want you to succeed. That should be everybody's goal. I know the world's kind of shitty, but you know, that's what it is. So, Grimerica Podcast, August 25th. Still working on the VR. I had to wait until my daughter brought her iPhone over, because apparently the app that I want to use for the mixed reality, for the VR, only comes on the fucking iPhone. I'm so adamantly against iPhones, but in this case, I gotta use one. So, Apple. Grimerica, VR on its way. Watch for the frauds. Any other questions, hit me up.